Kangleipak Kanbaluk has submitted PIL along with a detailed report to Manipur High Court advocating for flight ticket price from Imphal to Guwahati to Rs 1,000 only. The organization highlighted that traveling by air from Aizawl to Guwahati cost only 700 rupees, while questioning as to why Manipur, which has a population of around 15 lakhs, did not have such privilege. The statement was made at a press conference held at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking further, Secretary General of KKL Imphal-Guwahati highlighted that the organization has submitted a memorandum to concerned authority on April to ensure safe travel by the people at national highways by providing security. He further stated that the organization urged Civil Aviation Ministry, PMO and Home Minister to issue an order for a specific flight ticket price for the people. Imphal-Guwahati also highlighted that the DGP has issued an order through the state government to deploy security at the national highways. However, that order was never taken into action. He further expressed confidence that Manipur High Court will deliver justice for the people residing in the valley.
Mitopna koida land toropadagi akoida khamthengna ware lifeline oriba national highway anisida koi chatpa sugya yadre maruina maitei chatpa yadre secure oidre august ki tang ahumda india government gi magi mari leinaba civil aviation transport minister adegi manipur gi governor prime minister home minister loinamakta akoi memorandum ama pisinjare hariba national highway anisi foolproof security piraga praja si freely chatpa yahanbiu haibani aduga karigumba foolproof security se piba ngamdaba taragadi hajizik akoi gi means transport oriba flight si special fare ama akoi PBU haina hariba memorandum sida koi thajabani adubu laibak thibadi masigi result amata lakte aduga hajik maitei gi oina flight si ahongba mamanda pibidragasu atopa phurup akoi gi mayokta leiriba phurup singi damakta di Imphal to Aizawl je lupa 400 ta mogi damakta special fare ama pirame akoi na Tharaiba mayamna piriba mari leinaba department hariba mayam sin amta tabidraga aduga ngasi akoi gi mayokta leiriba against leiriba mogi damakta di lupa 700 ta mogi special fare ama piramase masi ne ba koina kwai ngakchabase aduna masigumba mayam si akoi ni uzara kanda Manipur High Court ta akoi ne case si thagachabane ba case sida akoi na maru oina panjaribagi atop city da paibada magi flight mamando leijaraga so train tongaga chatpa yaba nearest Imphal to Guwahati gi flight se lupa lising ama de PBU haibase sigi special fare gi request ni akoi na Manipur High Court thajari base aduna Manipur High Court na soidra achumba wayel mo pubirakani haibase akoi madugi result ngaijari